Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen, and in this video I'm going to talk about simple landing page, and I'm going to give you 5 secrets you need to know for higher conversions, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can grow your online business and take it to the next level. First, I'm gonna show you some simple landing pages and explain different elements that are proven to make the highest conversion for your landing page. So here, as you can see, I'm logged into my Builderall account. If you don't know what Builderall is, it's basically an all-in-one online tool for your online business. You can create landing pages, sales funnels, different websites or webinars, and lots of other stuff. I will put a link on my video in the description if you want to learn more about Builderall. Anyways, I'm gonna go to this Builders bar, then drag and drop Pixel Perfect, and then New Website. It's gonna take me to a page with lots of website templates. If you look at these categories, you can see that there are sales funnels right here, also landing pages, and different websites, for example, for blogging, and also design, or maybe health, music, fashion, and other categories. In each of these categories, you can find some pre-made templates, and all you need to do is just build right into the template and make it your own website or landing page. It's simple and you don't need to have any coding skills or anything like that. So I've opened some examples of simple landing pages, and I'm gonna share with you guys 5 secrets you need to follow to get the higher conversions. First one, your landing page should be simple and easy to read. This one is obvious, but in this particular example, you can see that there is lots of things. It's complicated to read and navigate, and there is too much overwhelming text, and instantly after you go to this website, you are completely lost. On the other hand, if you look at this one, this is the template from Builderall, and it's the perfect example of simple landing page. And as you can see, it already looks professional, it's simple, easy to read, and also navigate. All you need to do now is just build right into it and make it your own. Second secret, visible button for opt-in form. Visible button for subscribing is significant for collecting leads. This is indeed the main reason to have the simple landing page in the first place. You want to start collecting leads and remarket them later via email. So I'm gonna show you example, guys. If you look at this one, we can see that this button is dark orange, which makes it more visible and clear for your visitors to opt in. That's why it's important to have the button or call to action visible to increase your conversions. If I scroll down, we can see that the button is also here, which is great. Multiple call to actions help you to skyrocket your subscribers even faster. Third secret, image or video. Another important element on your landing page is image or video. People in general like to look at the pictures or watch videos. It's nice to have some text here and there, but if you can include the image or short video on your landing page, your conversions will be much higher, simply because you are providing more value for them. So, as you can see, this is one example of the video, and I want to show you guys more examples. If I click here, and I'm gonna scroll down, you can see that on this page there are lots of images, so in that case this looks much more professional. And also when I show you this example, you can see that this is also simple, easy to read, easy to navigate. These pictures make it more professional, and you are feeling good at this page and you wanna learn more for sure. Also, I wanna show you one more example, and if you look at these images, this also looks very professional, and this is the main reason you wanna have images or videos included in your landing pages. Fourth secret, testimonials. Social proof is very important for visitors to make their decisions. Including testimonials on your landing page may convince your visitors to become your leads or even paying customers. So don't forget to include several testimonials on your landing page as well. You don't need to have lots of them, one is good, 2 or 3 even better. If you look at these examples right here, you can see testimonials on this landing page. Also, when I scroll down, you can see testimonials right here. And the last one example I want to show you guys is this one. This is also a simple landing page, and when I scroll down, you can see that there are also testimonials right here. And the 5th secret is set up an email sequence. After you started collecting leads, you need to keep them so they don't unsubscribe. How do you do it? You need to create a follow-up email sequence, sending them, for instance, 5 to 7 emails automatically after they subscribe. If you don't know how to do it, I will put a link in the description, so go ahead and check it out. It's important to share value in those emails to build trust with your subscribers so they stay in your list and you can sell them later. Those are 5 secrets you need to follow in order to have higher conversions on your simple landing pages. I showed you different examples, and in Builderall templates you can simply rewrite or change these elements and start collecting leads today. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out the Builderall, there's gonna be a 7-day free trial. Just go ahead and click the first link in the description below. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button right below this video. It helps me know that you like this kind of videos and I can do more of them. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss out on the future content. If you guys do have any questions, just go and comment below in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as best I can. And with that being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.